What if I told you that this tiny jar of Vaseline is actually a magic box hiding 13 beauty and life hacks? From glowing skin to secret makeup tricks, Vaseline can literally do it all. Hack number 1. Chapped lips? Just apply Vaseline before bed, and you'll wake up with soft lips. Hack number 2. Want fuller lashes and brows? Apply a tiny amount of Vaseline at night. It helps condition and make them look thicker over time. Hack number 3. Dry, cracked heels? Massage Vaseline, wear socks overnight, and boom, baby soft feet by morning. Hack number 4. Ever ran out of makeup remover? Vaseline literally melts away waterproof mascara like magic. Hack number 5. Forget expensive highlighters. Dab a little Vaseline on your cheekbones, instant blast skin effect. Hack number 6. Dry cuticles ruin your manicure? Rub Vaseline around your nails daily, shiny, salon-style nails at home. Hack number 7. No one likes rough elbows and knees. A little Vaseline makes them smooth and glowing in minutes. Hack number 8. Want your fragrance to last all day? Apply Vaseline on your pulse points before perfume, thank me later. Hack number 9. Bad hair day? Rub a tiny bit of Vaseline on flyaways, poof, sleek hair in seconds. Hack number 10. Tired of dye stains on your forehead? Smear Vaseline along the hairline before coloring, zero mess. Hack number 11. Rub Vaseline on your nails before applying polish. It prevents chipping and helps polish last longer. Hack number 12. Rub Vaseline on leather shoes or bags, instant shine like new. Hack number 13. Ring stuck on your finger? Don't panic, a little Vaseline and it slides off like magic. And that's it, 13 Vaseline hacks that prove this little jar is actually a beauty superhero. Which hack was your favorite, the glow trick, the perfume hack, or the leather shine? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends, because everyone has Vaseline at home, but not everyone knows these secrets.